morning all again. Let's continue the last problem. This question number 9 of exercise 10.3. Last video I have shown you in x hours smaller pi fill one time. So in 1 hour smaller pi fill 1 by x of time. Keep in mind. Then in x minus 10 hours larger pi fills one tank. Then in 1 hour larger pi fills 1 divided by x minus 10 tan. 1 divided by x minus 10 of tan. According to the given, in 1 hour both the pipes fills 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by x minus 10 of tank. Both together can fill 9 of 3 by 8 hours. Now I can write this 1 by x plus, it is saying together, means sign will be plus. 1 divided by x minus 10 is equal to 8 divided by 75, this value. LCM is x into x minus 10 is the LCM. When you multiply here, x and x get cancelled, x minus 10 will remain. When you multiply here, x minus 10 and x minus 10 get cancelled, x will remain, is equal to 8 divided by 75. Now x plus x is 2x minus 10. Open the bracket by multiplying with x. X into x, x square. X into minus 10 x is equal to 8 divided by 75. Now we can do cross multiplication. 8 into x square, 8x square, 8 into minus 10x, minus 80x, 75 into 2x will be is equal to 75 into 2 will be 150x, 75 into 10 minus 750 is equal to, now transfer these two values to left hand side. 8x square minus 80x minus 150x plus 750 is equal to 0. We have only one term of x square, so it will be as it is. We have two terms of x. Those two terms can be added because signs are same. When you add, it will be minus 230x plus 750 is equal to 0. Now whole equation can be divisible by 2. The reason of division is we can make the simple equation to factorize it or to solve it. It will become easy. 2 1s are 2 4s are 2 1s are 2 1s are 2 5s are, then 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, then 2 5s are 10. Now remaining is x square minus 115 into x plus 375 is equal to 0. So we have to factorize now. Sorry, it is 4 here. 4 into 375 will be 1500 Now we have to select the two numbers such that when you multiply it should be 1500, or when you add or subtract it should be minus 115. Those two numbers are minus 100 minus 15. Now 4x square minus 100x minus 15x plus 375 is equal to 0. Now in these two, 4 is common, also x is common. Now remaining is x minus 25. Here minus 15 is common in both. Remaining is x minus 25 is equal to 0. These two are common. X minus 25 is equal to 0. Remaining is 4x minus 15 is equal to 0. Now x is equal to 25. Then 4x is equal to 15. Now which is equal to x is equal to 15 divided by 4. 4 1s are 4 3s are 4 3s are 12. Then 3 remains 0.0. Then 4 7s are 28. 3.7. Now important is which is correct answer. X is equal to 25 is correct, or x is equal to 3.7 is correct. That we have to decide. We have to think which is correct. Here both the values are positive. If one is positive, another is negative, that time we will neglect the negative one and will take positive value as the answer. Here both are in positive. Now we have to think which one is right, which one is not right, not correct. Now see here, when you substitute 3.7 here to find diameter, to find the time taken by larger tab, if you substitute 3.7 here, what will happen? 3.7 minus 10, it will give you answer minus 6.3. Answer, it will give you 3.7 minus 10. It will give you minus 6.3, and hours cannot be negative. So this is not correct answer. This is the correct answer. When you subtract 25 minus 10, you will get answer in plus. So this is the right answer. Now we can say time taken by smaller pi as 25 hours. I will write it here. Time taken by smaller pi is 25 hours, and time taken by larger pi is x minus 10, which is equal to x is how much? 25. X is 25. 25 minus 10 is equal to 15 hours. So this is how we can solve this problem. Hope you all understood whatever I explained. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section, or you can text me personally on WhatsApp. I will clarify your doubt. Thank you very much for listening me. See you in the next video.